Hello, I'm the Stress Viewer, and I review commercials. Now, I don't celebrate Halloween because I believe that's a satanic holiday that pretty much brainwashes children into wanting candy, but... hush up. But anyway, we're going to be looking at a commercial for one of my favorite shopping centers, Ikea. So we see... So that was...
Now I'm shopping at Ikea, and I know why. Why, man? Yeah, cause I'm white. Because I'm white. Because I'm white. I was gonna run from the cops, but I'm white. I was gonna run when they told me to stop, but I'm white. Now I got a jaywalking ticket.